Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. Silver higher high and higher low formation से ट्रेड कर रहा है. Prices 78.6 retracement level टेस्ट कर रहा है जो कि 81,700 पे है. Prices के पास अगला रेजिस्टेंस 82,700 एंड 83,200 का है. Prices ने पिछले 7-8 दिनों से प्रीवियस लो ब्रीच नहीं किया है जो कि बुलिश बायस की स्ट्रेंथ बताता है. The RSI with a bullish crossover supports the bullish move as it moves in the overbought zone. Thus, any dip should be a buying opportunity. इसीलिए जब तक प्राइसेस नीचे आते हैं रिवर्सल के ऊपर, that should be a buying opportunity targeting the level of 83,200 for the day. Hence, we expect silver to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.